kickstarter first, and all its bolts, all the bolts out here. These are 8mm bolts. They're down here also. All the bolts there. And here's what I'm going to change. As you can see, this one's broken. Well, let's see what we have here. So I found out that the spring, this one, they call the gear shift selector spring, broke. So I'll have to replace it after all. So symptoms for this will be, it would be difficult, or I'd find it difficult to shift from other gears because there won't be any resistance coming from the spring. So basically you don't have to remove this. Just pull it from here. Okay, you don't have to remove the clutch disc assembly. You just have to pull this one, goes in there. You just have to pull it here. Good thing, it's a good thing actually. So yeah, that's for the Honda CB110, but this sucks, so I'll just have to order spring online. Just have to wait for another 3 to 4 days. Okay, so here are the parts that you have to remove. First, you remove the kickstarter. Then of course you have to drain the oil out. Then you have to remove all the screws, and also in order to pull this one out, you have to remove the clutch lever. And also, before you remove the right side crankcase cover, you have to remove this one. So that's basically it. So the things you're gonna be needing to remove them is an 8mm T-wrench, and also your handy dandy ratchet and some other basic tools. So basically that's it. Return the gear shift return spring. So what we're gonna do, I remove the lock nut, whatever you call this one. So you place it through the spindle, place it on the spindle. Okay, like this. So don't mess around, but you will be placing it on the reverse side. After some sessions with the pliers here, I managed to get this one through. So it will be easier now. I'll just use this one to push this one down. So push this one down here. Oh, almost there. So some movement around, I'll be able to get this one here. We got it here already, including this washer. Let's try to Ghost.